Hi, and welcome to SRJC Libraries. Remember, you can always find us on the web at libraries.santarosa.edu. This is a brief tutorial on how to use Noodle Tools, an online app to help you cite your sources. So let's scroll halfway down and click on Noodle Tools. We are now on the sign-in page. To register for a new account, go to the bottom of the page and click the button that says, Don't have an account? Register. You will now want to complete the information for the new user registration. Fill in the information about you, your expected year of graduation, as well as other information to create your personal ID. Scroll to the bottom and click the blue Register button. We're now on the Projects page in Noodle Tools. I have several projects in my account. One day you will soon too, as many of the courses at the JC have a research component requiring you to cite your sources. Let's talk about three things. Number one, how to create a new project. This would be for a presentation or a paper. Number two, how to add sources to that project. And finally, number three, how to export those sources into a formatted bibliography like a works cited or references. Go to the upper right-hand corner and click the green button, New Project. Name your project something you'll recognize. So, for example, I might be doing something on social media and privacy. For citation style, select the style your assignment requires. For citation level, choose Advanced for college. This will include options like Journal. Submit. My new project now appears at the top of the list. I can see I have the option to add sources, create note cards, upload attachments. I can see the last time I updated this project, and I also have the option to share my project with other students or an instructor. We'll focus on adding sources. Let's click. To add a new source, go to the upper right-hand corner and click the green button, New Source. To create a new citation, you'll answer the same two questions. Where is it? And then, what is it? Choose Database if you found your source on the JC Library website. For example, journal or magazine articles, or perhaps an ebook. Choose Website if you found your source out on the web. Perhaps you have a web page that you'd like to cite from the Pew Research Center. If you have a book or DVD or something that you can hold in your hand, choose Print or in hand. So let's cite a journal article we found on the JC website. Choose Database for Where is it? For What is it? I can see here I have Journal, which I'll choose for my journal article. I want to fill in all of the information that I can find and enter it in this form to create my citation. In the detailed record, I can find the citation information at the top, including the article title, the authors, the title of the journal, magazine, or newspaper, the publication date, volume, and in parentheses, if we see a number, that's the issue number, plus the starting and end page number for my article. I'll also be asked for the name of the database, and I can find this in the middle of the record. Look for View Online from the following databases. I can use the permalink to generate a URL for my citation. Finally, if you're citing a book, you might find details about your book in the Details section. Remember, if you're citing a website, you want to scour the web page for your citation information. We have the name of the website, which usually appears at the top, Pew Research Center. I can see, there's the date of publication. Under, I can see the title of the web page, and I can see, here we have the authors. The authors could have also appeared at the bottom of the page. Once I have filled in my information in the various fields, I'll go to the top and click Save. Click the green New Source button to keep adding more citations, and eventually we'll have our entire list. To finally export this citation list as your works cited, references, or other type of bibliography, let's go to the top of the page and click the Export Print icon, where I can export to Word, RTF, or Google Docs.